Hello, welcome to Bug Bounty Hunting. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn cross-site scripting. Cross-site scripting is also called as XSS. Cross-site scripting is a common attack vector that injects malicious code into a vulnerable web application. XSS differ from other web attack vectors like SQL injection. It does not directly target the application itself. Instead, the user of the web application are the one at risk. Depending on the severity of the attack, the user account may be compromised, Trojan horse program activated and page content modified, and finally, session cookies can be revealed. So how we can be able to find out accesses? Accesses allow an attacker to inject JavaScript code into the page. The code is executed when the page is loaded. JavaScript code is executed on client machine, not on the server. These are the three types of cross-site scripting. First one is reflected accesses. Second one is persistent, also called as stored accesses. And the third one is DOM-based accesses. We are going to see all of them in our practical demonstration. So how to exploit or find out accesses vulnerability? If you are able to find out any text box, any comment box, or any search box in any website, try to inject JavaScript code on that boxes. Or also you can inject the JavaScript code into URL parameter also. Reflected accesses. It's not persistent, not stored, only work if the target which is the specific or special crafted URL. In the lab installation section, I already told you to install Metasploitable. As you can see, I already installed Metasploitable in my machine. Take care of it, just you should select network adapter as NAT. And also I installed Kali machine. Also take care to use network adapter as NAT in both of virtual machines. Now go to your Metasploitable lab and type ifconfig to know the IP address of our lab. So you can see the IP address of this machine is 172.16.138.150. You can open up this IP address in your main machine or even in Kali Linux also. So let's try out it in Kali Linux. Open up your browser and type down that IP address. You can see we successfully logged into our Metasploitable lab. Go to DVWA. At DVWA lab username is admin and default password is password. And click on login. So we successfully log in into our DVWA lab. Same as you can use Metasploitable lab in any machine. I stored my VirtualBox environment in my Mac. So I'm going to open this lab in my Firefox browser. Open up your browser and hit down that IP address of that machine and hit enter. You can see we successfully logged into our Metasploitable lab in our main machine. Click on DBW as default username of DBW lab is admin and the password is password. So type down username as admin and password is password. Hit enter. You can see we successfully logged into our DBW lab. Go to click on setup here and create and reset database. There will be one option DBW security. If you select low security, then your web application will be vulnerable to this attack. When you select high level, your security of your web application is very high.